Have you ever wanted to make changes around your house, but you didn't know where to start as far as keeping your home cleaner? Well, today we're going to change that. Hi, for those of you that are new to our community here, I am Stephanie and I teach people how to keep their homes cleaner with less stress. And I also teach aspiring cleaning professionals like myself how to start their own part-time solo cleaning business. So let's get started. So we are going to just quickly, I'm going to review our daily task list. If you can get these tasks done every single day, you can consider yourself a success. So in order to get your daily tasks done, I would recommend starting to kind of implement them into a daily routine. So first things first, I always start out with making my bed. I do that immediately while I'm still in my pajamas. I get up, use the restroom, brush my teeth, wash my hands, all that. And then I just come back and I make my bed right away. It's the first thing I do. If it's been a little bit since my sheets have been cleaned and it's time, or it's just sheet cleaning day, I go ahead and just pull those sheets off and toss them on down, or toss them in a laundry basket, get them down to the laundry area, and that's what we do that. And then every day I go into the kitchen and I get my coffee started while I'm drinking my water, hopefully. And then I will unload the dishwasher if I ran it that night before. I don't always wash it. I don't always need to wash it. But sometimes there are days where I'm running the dishwasher multiple times in a day. And then there are weeks where I'll only run the washer or the dishwasher maybe like twice a week. So you can kind of wiggle these things around as need be. And then on the daily task list is also preparing meals, and again, I wrote load the dishwasher. So as you're preparing the meals, you're just gonna go ahead and put those dishes in the dishwasher if you are lucky enough to have one. If not, you'll just go ahead and like rinse and stack, and then when you can, go ahead and do the actual dishes. Or if you have 5 minutes to take a sponge and wash those a few dishes and then put them in your rack to air dry throughout the day. And then also on our daily task list, we have wipe the kitchen counters. I can tell you, when I was a mom with young kids, it felt like I was literally the only one that was wiping the kitchen counters, and that might be you. Show me a hand in the comments below, drop a hand emoji, and let me know you are also a person that feels like they're the only ones wiping the crumbs off of the counters and the sticky stuff. But when we wipe those crumbs and the sticky stuff off of the kitchen counters, you're gonna keep bugs away. You're not gonna have the gnats, you're not gonna have the flies, you're not gonna have the ant problem that maybe some other homes do. So that's why we really need to focus to do that every single day. And you don't have to pull out your microwave and all your kitchen counter appliances every single day. That can be more of a weekly thing, but just keeping the general area crumb free and sticky stuff free. And then finally on our daily task list, we are just gonna do a quick kitchen sweep. It doesn't have to be perfect. Done is always better than perfect. So if you just do a real quick sweep up the crumbs, toss them in the trash. See, that wasn't so bad, right? So the daily task list can really get done with just a few little 5-minute bursts here, there, and everywhere throughout the day. And if you would like some more support in tackling these daily tasks, we have a really fun 21-day couch to clean challenge. It's designed to help get you off the couch and just get those little tasks done throughout the day, and it helps build that muscle memory. So become a part of our community. Go ahead and click that link up in the description above and check out the full challenge and join us there. Thanks so much for watching.